What is up, Yeti fans? We are right here in the middle of Times Square. Look at these billboards. Absolutely massive. Okay, heading out now. Like and subscribe.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to create a video with Canva. So just here you have to have a Canva Premium, right? So if you just go down here, you can see AI, or you can also from here, right from this home page, just click on this AI, and then so let's generate a video right now. So we click on the video clip, and then which style do we want? Okay, I want to generate a cinematic version. Okay, this is the only version that is still supported in Canva right now. So yeah, I want an audio. So, and okay, I want it to be like a close shot, like point of view. So lightning, and then I choose hard light. Yeah, so I want to generate, I'll just put a this is going to take a little bit of time. So we can see the video has been generated, so let's click and watch.
What is up, Yeti fans? We are right here in the middle of Times Square. Look at these billboards. Absolutely massive. Okay, heading out now. Like and subscribe.